So after the little test session I had on the street last Sunday, I felt that I was ready for the track. Everything seemed to be alright. Took it back home, no leaks, no funny smells, no weird noises. I think I'm ready to go to the track and run it all out for this rental this weekend. So Saturday evening, the day before the rental, I spent the day and the evening just doing little odds and ends. I cleaned everything out with the shop vac. I put the interior back in, well, most of it back in. I got everything together. I made a little bag with tools. I want to be as prepared as possible. I don't want to drive all the way out there and not have my stuff together. So I let it warm up. I figured I would take it for a quick spin around the block one more time just to check over everything, make sure everything was ready to go. So while I was out and about, I went to the gas station to fill up on some E85. Want to make sure I have enough fuel to go for the day tomorrow. I'm going to clear all this stuff out, just put a little bit of pieces of the interior back on, and then load it up on the trailer and get it ready to leave in the morning. So I will see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. Got teched in. I'm ready to go. A little nervous, but I'll be good after the first pass, I'm sure. So for the very first pass, I put a tune in the car, which was leaving on 3 pounds and about 7 out the back. I don't know what that was. Maybe it was a boost gun. It started pulling. So my brand new GoPro 9 decided to eat the SD card, so all the footage from the GoPro on the windshield got deleted, which sucks. So I'm just going to have to do an overview after each pass. So as you can see on that first pass, I said it was supposed to make about 6-7 pounds, but you could hear it just start pulling and giving it like all the boost. And when it popped, like I said, that was the boost cut. The boost cut was set at like 12 pounds. So I figured, let me raise it up to 20 and try again. Alright, so pass number 2 is done. Like I said, I set the cut to around 20 to revert back to wastegate so it wasn't such a hard cut at the end. But after looking at the log, it made way over 20. I think it was close to 25, and that's maxing out the little map sensor I have, so it could have been 30, who knows. So I'm wondering why it didn't revert back to wastegate. I'm thinking maybe I have a Mac valve issue. So I changed the tune to open loop boost control and set it to a duty cycle on the Mac valve to see if that would change anything. Because like I said, this was just supposed to be like a low boost test session. I wasn't trying to run it all out, I just wanted to get comfortable with the car. So I'm not trying to blow it up or get a crazy number right now. I'm gonna go for round 3 and see what I can do. So that was the best pass of the day, which isn't really saying much because it still wasn't that great. I left on like no boost and it all came in the middle of a second. You can see in this clip right here, the red is the boost. So it's at like 3, 4, 5. And then in the middle of a second, it just climbs. And that red light isn't the shift light. That's the voltage hitting 11.6 on that pass. So that's no good either. Gonna have to address that over the winter as well. And there's it hitting the boost cut again. I thought after the third pass that it would be alright to be able to make a full pass. I was hoping to get maybe a deep 10 or something. But obviously, I'm not going to be able to get a clean pass today. But at least I'm learning that now. That's the whole point of going out here and testing. Alright, so this is the 5th and final pass. Not expecting much. But I just want to get one more in and I'm going to load it up on the trailer. And go back and try to fix the Mac valve or whatever issue I'm having with the boost. And try to make it out one more time, hopefully, this year. But at least winter's coming and I have all the time to figure everything out. That way, springtime, I'm ready to go. Well, unfortunately, this wasn't a Cinderella story, and I could make a full, clean pass at the end. But that's just the way it goes, I guess. That's why I came here to test. It hit boost cut again, made way too much boost. I could have turned it off, like people were saying, but I really don't want to blow this thing up yet. I'm just getting started, and there's no point. So I'm just going to have to figure out what the boost creep issue is, whether it's the Mac valve or the wastegate. I'm going to have to figure it out. And I'm going to try to go to one more track day next week. And that'll probably be the last one, just to test out the boost creep issue. Thank you all for watching. like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all that for me. See y'all later.